We're going to get you a car.
Go ahead, TJ.
Yo, it's your boy TJ. So I'm about to prank my dad. Now my dad did a prank on me talking about how he got his woman pregnant, and it really got to me. And I told him I was gonna get it back, but it's been at least four or 5 months, maybe even 6 months since he pranked me, and I told him I was gonna get it back. So now I'm really finna get him back. Now I had my auntie make up this email. It's a fake email that she sent to me, made it look real legit. I'll put it on the video later. I'm supposed to be going to a dealership and getting him a car. Stay tuned though, I'm finna call him. Man, if he answer.
Hello?
Hey, what you doing?
What's up? Hey, man, the man laying over here, watching us all mess.
Where at?
Yeah, I'm wanting to sell.
Oh, well, get dressed.
Over here, but, yeah.
Get dressed.
Huh?
Get dressed.
Good, for what?
I got a surprise for you.
What kind of dress do I need to wear, nigga? What kind of girl?
Just put on something.
I got silver earring.
Just put on something. Hurry up. I'll be over there in 30 minutes. Just put on some clothes. I'll be over there in 30 minutes. Hurry up. All right, bye. All right, Dad, you gotta read this.
You gonna tell him what the surprise is?
No, he gotta read it.
You gonna read the
I
surprise?
ain't read no nothing. Man, I don't know. Y'all can't got me, but I didn't come get y'all.
Hey, listen. Read this.
Okay.
I ain't mad, son.
Read that.
I get excited. I ain't mad.
Read that.
Hello, Thomas. Hey, they talking to you? Or
They're
talking
talking to me. Read
talking
that.
to Flash?
No, it don't.
Hello,
Just
Thomas.
go.
Thank
Just
you
do.
for the frequent application. You submitted an application for something.
Yeah, just keep on reading it.
Nigga, if you stop hitting them buttons, I get reading.
Well, I gotta be on my way.
Jordan, you begin that shit.
No,
out my
listen,
mouth.
you gotta read it.
You gotta read it so you
You
can see
ain't
why we
gotta-
recording.
Read it.
Well, I can't do all
We
that.
gotta
Y'all-
record you. It's
We
part
got-
of the
No,
process.
see, y'all on that bullshit.
Read
No,
it.
No, it's a prank.
Read
Just
what the
read
email
it.
See,
say.
y'all should let me alone.
Listen,
In my
read what
drawers,
the
I was
email
laying down,
say.
listening to Unsolved Mysteries.
Read what the email say.
I'm trying to, nigga.
If
shit.
you read it, then you'll know
And
everything.
Jordan got that camera.
I gotta record you because that's what they put in the email.
Huh?
It's in the email. Just read the email. You gonna know.
I can't read, nigga.
You can't read. You want me to read it to you?
Yeah, read it to me.
All right, Jordan, read it to me.
I read it to you. Here.
Thank you.
Well, you can't do that.
Read it to him.
Okay, look.
Thank you.
Okay, this
I
what
can't
it
read
say. This what it say.
I never
The
could.
lighting is off. Hold on.
Hello, Thomas. Thank you for the recent application and essay that you submitted regarding your father. Our goal here is to help people in need in order to rebuild or get a start in life with the assistance of reliable
Y'all drive me to
transportation.
the damn crazy house.
Listen.
No, just listen.
Man, what the fuck y'all doing?
Listen.
All right.
Many Oklahomans are struggling because of challenges in life. Our company is committed to helping Oklahomans in need of a hand up to
I
be
don't need
able
no damn man.
to accomplish
I ain't
their
asked nobody
goals
for shit. Nigga, I
of
had to work.
providing for their family. We have chosen you as a reciprocant of the grand prize of a pre-owned vehicle.
I don't believe that.
Listen, please come down to Express Credit Auto this weekend, November 8th to November 9th, to claim your
No,
prize.
that's
Please
a scam.
record
No, it's not.
the complete experience with your father so that we may use this footage in the future.
That's why you want me to get up out of the damn bed.
Yeah.
You call me.
Come on.
We're going to get you a
Yeah.
car.
Get him the car. Shit, it could be in my name. It could be in his name.
The application and it was on the news.
All right, son.
It was on the news.
All right. I will help
You can look
get
it
your
up.
car. Nigga, I'll pay you for it.
What? So this
I'll
whole
help you pay.
listen, this whole experience.
You have the good car.
Listen, this
I'll
whole
take this.
this whole experience I gotta record.
No, because
Yes.
you're on that bullshit.
They talk. You didn't read this.
You
Read
on
the
that
email.
Y'all enjoying it. Y'all on that. Y'all always try to prank me and set me up.
It ain't no prank. It's
Y'all,
on
you
the
always set me
email.
up for some
Do you want to
bullshit,
read the
man.
email again?
Get me up out of the fucking bed. Nigga, I'm laying there in my drawers listening to us all mission.
Do you want to read the? Do you want to read the email
I don't give
again?
a fuck what the email say.
Why is you tripping?
I ain't tripping, nigga. You always set me up on some bullshit.
Set you up on what?
I should have just laid in the bed and stayed there.
Jordan, tell him this email is legit.
He got me up.
I even showed Aunt Celia. We even called the people.
He said, do I want to go take you to get this car? So I got up. I was in the middle of my workout. I got up, Dr. King.
I'm in my drawers, nigga, laying with my woman. What you mean? I'm in my drawers, and you had the dun-dun-dun. And shit, you said I'll be there in 30 minutes. What the fuck?
And then you still wasn't ready.
Still wasn't ready.
I really don't believe whatever you're saying, son.
All right.
I ain't lying to you,
Just
man.
watch. Just watch.
I don't believe what you're saying is
Just
true.
watch.
We're gonna find out.
Now I'm about to unlock the door.
Look. Come on. Hold on, I gotta get him out the car real quick.
Come on, man. Stop playing.
Come on.
Biggest
Come on,
prank I
man.
ever
It's
had.
not a prank.
Put your phone in your pocket then, nigga.
We got to record it. Come on.
I ain't gonna read the email again.
Come on. They said it in the email. Come on. Now here's the guy.
How you doing?
This the guy right here.
How's it going, man?
Hey, how you doing, man?
I'm Drake.
Hey, I just woke up.
Doing just fine.
Time slow.
Well, I just should give you congratulations, man.
For what?
You ready to pick out your car?
I told you he think it's a prank.
Nah, man. I ain't ready to pick another car. I
Come
ain't
on.
even came up here and seen no car.
Come
The
on.
son's in the essay, man.
Yeah, I sent in the essay. I told you. You think it's a prank.
I still think it's a prank. My son always pranks me.
It's not no prank.
He on that bullshit, man.
It's not no prank.
I don't know what kind of car you got. I ain't even been up here.
Are you trying to say it's too good to be true?
Yeah.
Man.
I ain't been up here in 20 years.
I don't think this car lot that old.
What kind of car y'all got?
They got
What kind of car
everything.
you looking for?
Cadillac.
We got Cadillacs too, man. We got
Where?
one right over
Come
here.
on.
I pulled this one up just for you because you told me that you like Cadillacs.
Because he lying.
I'm not lying.
No, actually, you told me that you like Cadillacs and I got a couple pulled up here.
Come on.
He even pulled it up here already.
Come on.
It's already waiting on you.
You want to play with Thomas?
Come
That's
on.
right. You want to play with TJ?
Come
Got
on.
some options.
I wouldn't do that.
Come
What's this?
on.
The ATS and the CTS?
You mind if we can sit in it?
Yeah.
Because I know you're about to close here soon. See, if you would have took so long just sitting there in your drawers, we would have got to.
I told you I had to say that.
Yeah.
I know. I thought we were going to the club.
No.
Hey, nigga. Hey.
What? I tried to tell you this is real.
No, I still don't believe it.
Okay.
Thomas, don't play me.
I'm not playing. I'm not playing. This is
Thomas,
real.
don't play. I would never do you like that.
I'm not. Why you still think I'm playing?
Where's the weather at?
Right here.
Is that the weather right there?
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Hey, what's up?
Literally,
What's
I
up?
couldn't believe it.
What's
I
up?
can't believe you made it up here. Congratulations, partner. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Did you enjoy it, okay? Give them a minute, they'll get it all spiffed up for you.
Enjoy what?
We gotta pick which one.
That's crazy, man. 2016 or 20.
Nigga, hey, let's look at this.
Raw shit.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, let's look at this. Beep.
Oh snap! Is it unlocked?
Are you fucking serious, Thomas?
You thought I was playing? Oh, hold on. Let me unlock it for you.
Go to thing.
Look.
Start it up.
TJ, look at me in my eyes.
I'm not playing.
fucking stupid.
Sit
Boy,
down.
don't play.
I'm not playing.
This is fucking stupid.
What's stupid?
I ain't never.
You ain't never what?
Nigga, this a birthday present, Christmas present.
Come on, take a seat.
This Thanksgiving present.
Come on.
No, I can't believe it. What is this?
Hey, this sucker nice.
I know it's nice.
Yo,
What year is this?
It's a 2014.
2014.
Okay, what's that other one?
What's that other
one?
one?
2016.
Other one, 2016.
No, nigga, get 2016.
Oh, yeah. He said he want the 2016.
Yeah, let's get in there.
Oh, he said he want to get in there and listen to the. I told you, you wasn't trying to believe nobody.
I do think this is a prank.
Why? I don't know these people.
I don't know these people either. Nigga. What you talking about?
Come on.
They told us to come up here, bring you up here, and now
Bring me up here. Nah, I don't know.
What you think about this one? I kind of like the other one better. The other one was nice. The other one was real nice. Go fill out some paperwork. They get it. They get
That's what I'm
it.
saying. TJ, what the fuck?
He wants
Are
this.
you pranking me?
I'm not pranking you. You gonna fill out some. He said he want to get this one.
This is nice.
All right, come on. We gotta fill out some paperwork.
Yeah, I'm getting out.
All right, so we're gonna get him inside here. We're gonna I want to trade my car in, to be honest with you. I don't even like my car that much.
It's too late. You didn't win them. I did.
All right, so listen. All right, so we gotta do one thing. It's a prank, Dad. It's a prank. I appreciate you, bro.
No problem.
Where'd he go?
I knew you was on that bullshit, boy. No, because you just made me mad. Turn them cameras and shit off. No, because I knew damn well.
Come on, let's go.
No.
Come on, I'll at least buy you a burger. Come on.
I got to pee now, nigga. Can I use restroom? Y'all on that bullshit, I told you.
Come on, you can't be cussing these people establishment. Oh, that was funny. Want me to buy you a burger?
What a restroom, nigga?
This way. Let me buy you a burger.
Yeah, fuck that shit, nigga. Don't even talk to me.